I know that failure can be demotivating at times. It can be backbreaking, especially after back to back failures. But I believe that if you are watching me, if you're watching my channel, then you're definitely a warrior and you will fight back against your failures and will bounce in your January 2024 exams. So before starting this video, go down in the comments and type I will bounce back in January 25. And now let's start this video. What all things should you do? Number 1, identify your 2 weak subjects in from all the 4 subjects, and the way you do that is आप देखो आपके रिजल्ट में आपको कौन से 2 सब्जेक्ट्स में सबसे कम मार्क्स आए हैं. दोज आर योर 2 weak subjects. Number 2, identify your weakest chapters in all subjects, and by this I mean all the 4 subjects. The way you do that is you take your module, ICI module, go to the index page, sit down, reflect. You have to be true with yourself when you're doing this point. सोचो कि आपने कौन सा चैप्टर नहीं पढ़ा है अच्छे से. विच चैप्टर in which chapter do you have doubts, which chapter is not strong of yours, you are not confident in that chapter, which chapter did you skip for the exam. वो सारे चैप्टर्स को या तो आप सर्कल करो या तो क्रॉस मार्क करो. दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी यूजफुल फॉर आवर फर्दर स्टेप्स. नाउ आपको आपके एग्ज़ाम्स 12th January से, सो यू स्टिल हैव लाइक 65-66 days, and I'm going to give you a timeline of how you should approach these subjects, how you should approach the chapters, and how you should approach the subjects. Number 1, that you should start immediately after watching this video. Start with the weakest chapters in your 2 weak subjects, and for this you have 20 days, and that's fair enough बिकॉज आपको सिर्फ 2 सब्जेक्ट्स करने हैं और उसमें से भी सबसे जो आपके वीक चैप्टर्स हैं. बट दिस टाइम नो कॉम्प्रोमाइज़, फुल कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी. और इसके लिए आपको जो करना है आप कीजिए. यूट्यूब पे लेक्चर्स देखने हैं, फ्रेंड से डाउट सॉल्व करने हैं, गूगल करना है, जो करना है कीजिए. बट मेक श्योर दैट यू इंक्रीज योर कॉन्फिडेंस कि अगर ये चैप्टर्स में से कुछ आया देन एटलीस्ट आई विल नॉट गो ब्लैंक. Number 2, start with the strong chapters in your weak subjects. You should not ignore these strong chapters because यही आपके मार्क्स बूस्ट करेंगे. आपको इनको स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है. एंड फॉर दिस यू हैव 15 days. 15 days ऑल्सो, ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स फेयर इनफ. 2 सब्जेक्ट्स के स्ट्रॉन्ग चैप्टर्स करने हैं, आराम से हो जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको पहली बार पढ़ना है. You just have to revise these chapters and make sure that you are doing quality revisions. आपकी revisions में quality होना चाहिए. You should be able to revise everything and recollect everything. Number 3, start with your weakest chapters in the strongest subjects. These subjects are strong of yours as per your mark sheet, पर इसमें भी कुछ chapters ऐसे जो आपके strong नहीं हैं. If you increase that, then you will definitely go past your foundation marks. आप aggregate में भी नहीं रहोगे. If you are someone who has failed just because of aggregate, you should focus more over here on this point what I am telling you. आपके जो weak chapters हैं in your strong subjects, focus on gaining full conceptual clarity on that. For this you have 15 days, and then start with the strongest chapters in your strongest subjects. This will be a breeze for you, and that's why I have kept it over here at the end, so towards the exams. And this you have to do in 8 to 10 days. It's not that hard. You don't make any excuses कि मेरे से ये सब नहीं हो पाएगा. अगर आपसे ये सब नहीं हो पाएगा तो एग्ज़ाम मत देना. आई एम टेलिंग यू फर्स्टली, अगर आपको ये डिग्री चाहिए देन यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड. So after you have done all this, now I have told you the approximate days, that is 20 days, 15 days, 15 days, and then 8 to 10 days. Now what I want you to do is take a sheet of paper and you write the number of days backwards that are remaining for your exam. Say supposing like 66 days. Obviously, like I haven't counted how many days are remaining. You count and you write it on the paper. So write 66, 65, 64, all the way down till 3, 2, 1, till your exam day. Okay, and when every day goes by, just cross it, cross it, cross it. और ये जब आप करोगे तो आपकी फट जाएगी, when you see that the number of days are going less and less, and this will motivate you to study more, to work hard more. और जब आप आपके स्ट्रॉन्ग सब्जेक्ट्स को कर रहे हो, रिवाइज कर रहे हो, यू हैव टू अगेन डू द वीक सब्जेक्ट्स. आप अपने वीक सब्जेक्ट्स को छोड़ नहीं सकते. You have to do the weak subjects. Now, what are the other points that you should keep in mind when you are studying? For maths, economics, and even accounts, you all need to mark those questions that you all will refer in the last 1.5 days before the exam. Right now, from now onwards, you all have to start doing this. Mark कीजिए ताकि वो 1.5 days में आपको clarity आ जाए. Then another point that I would tell here is that ICI जब paper easy देती है, then checking is way difficult, and when the paper is difficult, checking is comparatively easier. Then for law, since many students failed in law, the only way to score marks is to practice 5 answers per day for the next 30 days. कंसिस्टेंटली, नॉट स्किपिंग इवन वन डे इन बिटवीन. अगर आप ये कर लोगे देन आई कैन एश्योर यू आप लॉ में तो फेल नहीं हो सकते. यू विल गेट अबाउ 60 इन एनी अटेम्प्ट. जो भी आपका पेपर कितना भी डिफ़िकल्ट आए, आपको अबाउ 60 तो आराम से मिल जाएगा. इफ़ यू प्रैक्टिस 5 क्वेश्चंस फॉर 30 days, it's 150 questions. Just come, you will notice this, because even I did this. You will notice the first answer that you had written and the last answer, the 150th answer, and you will see that there is such a drastic improvement in your quality of answers. So first, but आप ये कैसे करोगे? So you have your questions. तो आप अपना क्वेश्चन पढ़िएगा. आपको जो लगता है, जो प्रोविज़न आना चाहिए इसमें, you write that in your own words. You already know the format of writing the answers. पहला provision, फिर fact, फिर conclusion. It's easy. तो format में कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं है. Facts, you need to write your facts really quickly, because no one in the exam as it is reads it. Your provision matters and your conclusion matters. And does grammar matter? No, grammar does not matter. But आपको अपने स्पीड पे काम करना है. इफ़ एनी क्वेश्चन इज़ फॉर 5 marks, देन द मैक्सिमम टाइम दैट यू शुड गिव इट इंक्लूडिंग क्वेश्चन रीडिंग टाइम शुड बी 10 minutes, नॉट मोर देन दैट. सो ट्राई टू रिड्यूस योर स्पीड इवेंचुअली. ऑब्वियसली जब आप पहली बार ये करोगे तो पहली बार में तो होगा नहीं. सो यू रीड द क्वेश्चन, you write your own answer which you think according to you is right, and you do this for all the 5 questions together at one shot. Then after that, like, take a break. Then after that, you read the answers, the suggested answers what are there for that question, and now compare it with your actual answers जो आपने लिखा है. And now after this I want you all to write कि आपने आपके आंसर्स में वो कौन से पॉइंट्स नहीं लिखे, कौन से कीवर्ड्स नहीं लिखे जो क्वेश्चन के आंसर में था. फोकस ऑन दैट. And you have to do this every day for the next 30 days consistently. This strategy has personally helped me score 70 marks in law, and anyone who follows this strategy can easily score like 60 plus, easy. Then the next step, ask for your RTI certified copies. It costs like 10 rupees, but it might just save your attempt. It might save your next attempt. So definitely go and ask for your RTI certified copies. You get all 4 subjects in that. Then practice more exam style question papers. And what I mean by exam style, जो आपके एग्ज़ाम में आने वाला है वैसे पेपर्स प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा. आई सी दैट बहुत सारे ऐसे पेपर्स मिलते हैं फालतू के which do not actually reflect the exam level questions, especially in maths. The questions that they ask in their sample papers and the exam level questions, there's such a big difference. So practice more exam style question papers, and I'll give you 2 links for that. You go and check it out in the pinned comments, उसमें मैं दूंगा. Now If you want to score more than 300 marks, I'll give you just two things that you should do. No BS, no nothing, no bullshit. This will help you score 300 marks. And how do I know? Well, I have a friend who just did that, who just did it. He did it in September 24. And so I can tell you what things you need to score 300 plus. But this won't be easy at all. And some of you all might think that like I am crazy, I am mad or something like that. The fact is that it takes a high level of discipline, and only if you're masculine enough, if you have the courage to go for 300 plus in your second attempt, only then listen to me, or else click this video off right now. Number 1, ego. You need to have a really big ego now. You need to take your ego to the next level. आपके दोस्त आपसे आगे चले गए and you're still over here in foundation. This should piss you off. This should piss you off. Whenever you're watching this video, like whatever date, whenever you're watching this video, और आप उस दिन जब रात को सोने वाले होंगे, then think about this. मेरे दोस्त मेरे से आगे निकल गए हैं. उनमें ऐसा क्या था कि वो लोग पास हो गए और मैं रह गया. मेरे में क्या कमी थी. And you will come to know many things, and this will just increase your motivation to study more, and it will help you break the 300 barrier. You need to channelize your frustration of failure into the right direction. Number 2, stop wasting your time on social media. Just stop it. You think that you are enjoying your time on social media, but no, you are not. And I have observed this myself and also other people. When you're scrolling reels on social media, there is no facial expression. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आप, then you watch the next reel. And you waste 15 minutes. You're not even getting entertained by it. And most of it is just like, they are just like dumb reels. एंड जब आप इंस्टाग्राम यूज़ करना बंद कर दोगे, आपको एक अलग ही लेवल पे क्लैरिटी मिल जाएगी कि आपको अभी क्या करना है. दिस क्लैरिटी विल हेल्प यू ब्रेक पास द 300 प्लस बैरियर. मेहनत सभी कर रहे हैं, बट आप सही डायरेक्शन में मेहनत करोगे, एंड दैट इज़ वॉट मैटर्स. ऑल्सो आप जब भी आपका दिन प्लान, आप जो भी पढ़ने वाले हो उसको पेपर पे लिख लीजिए कि I'll do this the night before that day. So one day before आप ये प्लान कर लीजिएगा कि आप अगले दिन क्या करने वाले हो, क्या पढ़ोगे. I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best from the bottom of my heart. May you all succeed. May you all break past this failure. May you all bounce back in your January 2025 exam. Bye. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I will keep posting such videos from time to time.